Yeah.
The verdict is in for David Copperfield and the MGM civil trial, a legal fight that came to a dramatic end just a few hours ago. Our Christy Wilcox live from the Regional Justice Center, where the story may not end here.
No, not yet. The jurors made that decision in about 3 hours tonight. We talked to one jury member who said that he didn't believe parts of Copperfield's testimony. He also said that there were inconsistencies in Gavin Cox's testimony as well. After nearly 2 months of testimony, jurors in the case against David Copperfield made a decision.
Gavin Cox, 100%, totally 100%.
Gavin Cox claims he fell after volunteering to be part of an illusion at Copperfield's show in 2013. He says he suffered a traumatic brain injury. Cox's wife was visibly disturbed by the decision. The jury agrees MGM and David Copperfield were negligent.
We felt Mr. Copperfield was lacking perhaps in investigating previous injuries and inquiring or investigating why those might have happened.
But they also say Cox's injury was 100% his own fault and that MGM and Copperfield are not liable. Juror Gerald Schaffner.
The thinking was that even though there may have been some negligence, there really wasn't much that would have prevented Mr. Cox from having the accident.
Cox's counsel also weighed in on the decision.
I believe that that is an inconsistent verdict and that it's against the weight of the credible evidence.
MGM Grand has made changes to the area where Cox says he suffered his injury. MGM attorney Jerry Popovich
Appears to simply indicate what we had argued, which is this is an unfortunate accident. We're sorry he got hurt on the property.
Juror Schaffner shared thoughts on Copperfield's testimony.
There were some parts of his testimony we felt were less than credible.
But he says jurors also felt there were inconsistencies in Cox's testimony too. Now, to further explain that, he said that Cox's inconsistencies could have been due to a brain injury. He also says, well, they also say Cox's attorney, Benedict Morelli, says they may possibly file new motions, and if that doesn't work, they may file an appeal. Reporting live, Christy Wilcox.